Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Evermore Rymbai la sha ajiet como President Bathymmai jong Kiang Nangbah Government College Students Union nakabanta ka samoy trekam jong usnam arajar arpulai hadu arpusaw. Yakani lapan bana da returning officer ka Kiang Nangbah Government College election ka Dr. E.M. Black. Kabadai ru ka principal jong college hadien ka jingno vote kabalalong ha college menta kasngi. Hakani ka election jiet nongket kam Bathymmai la don khat ar tadi ki kerdan ni ki pos kat ba ki kertong gi baya kon ni ki kerdan ki don hadu. Lai pusan ngot kenthop iki samla kan thai bat chenrang. Napdeng ki lai hajar henrius pa khat ar ngot ki samla pude kani ka college la one tap vote komba khat san spa ar pusaw ngot kabalong sa pu ar 0.8% ki samla pude ki ba penan kam hok ya ka vote banjit iki nongket kam Bathymmai jong ka union. Ka returning officer ka Dr. E.M. Black la penbam smai ki nongket kam ka Students Union ha ka jinga dan lang uwan kra ku par Kharbuli MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hills District bat kinohikai. Ha ka kerdan President la don langut ki kertong ki baya kun persya bala job du Evermore Rymbai uba puli ha ka kerdan BSc 5th semester panlong kumu President ka Union da ka bayo hadu nyos pa khat sa vote. Ha ka kerdan Vice President ru la don langut ki kertong bala job do umiyai don lang tang balayo Rius Pak Sau Pusan vote. Hak kerdan General Secretary ru ladon langut ki kertong. Bala job do daya tray lang sena. Balayo Rius Pak Prabu Ar vote. Hak kerdan Assistant General Secretary ru ladon langut ki kertong. Bala job da ka Delis Shela ka balayo Rius Pak Ar Khandai vote.
Vice President Madam Langtan, General Secretary Pinshemi Siamcha, Assistant General Secretary Delis Shilla,
President Madam Langtan, GS Datelansi, Assistant GS Delis Shilla, Students Editor, Evermore Nangbah, Cultural
Social Service, Hilarity, Secretary Boys, Common Room, Bantay Camp, Secretary Girls Common Room, satisfied.
Mr. Evanson Kupar Bamon secure 124 votes and Mr. Mewat Lee Rymbai secure 625 votes. I, Dr. Mrs. E.M. Bala, returning officer of the Kiang Nangbah Government College Student Union election 23-24, do hereby declare Shri Evermore Rymbai elected today, the 22nd September 2023, to the post of President of Kiang Nangbah Government College Student Union for the year 2023-24. Do hereby declare Shri Meyaidon Langtang elected today, the 22nd September 2023, to the post of Vice President of Kiang Nangbah Government College Student Union for the year 2023-24. For the post of General Secretary, Assistant General Secretary, Miss Delis Shela.
Master
Having been duly elected to the post of
Student
Union for the year 2023-24,
for the year 2023-24,
do solemnly take oath of the office, and I promise to abide by the letter and the spirit of the Constitution of the Union. I further promise to respect and maintain the discipline and prestige of the college. 23-24.
Perform well in your studies. So as the leader of the student body, you should also show that you are good in studies. Not only good in the not only good in the extracurricular, but also you should be the that the student will look to you, so that you will be leading them into a right direction, a right path, and then you will be the one of the people who will show to the world that even though you are a student body, but you have done your best in your academic field also. So we believe that this union will lead the college so that we will get the better leader for the student body. So I congratulate you once again. May God be with you, grant you knowledge, wisdom, understanding. As I have said, in this post which you are holding, as well as God will enlighten your mind, improve your memory, so that you will be better in your academic field. May God be with you, bless you, grant you good health.
It's a big thing, especially for the new members. It's a new thing for them, but also we also have those old members who will be elected. So a big congratulations to both of them. So as Principal Madam has already stated that you have a big responsibility to lead from the front, and as he has already told that it's equally important that you excel in academics, because you should know the priority. I mean, why you are here in the first place. But apart from that, even extracurricular activities also are very important. So by engaging yourself in these platforms, I mean, it could provide you with better avenues, okay, in the near future. Once you go out from college, doesn't matter where you will be, but since you have taken this step forward to be part, of a students' union, you could be part of, you could do well, in fact, could contribute well towards a larger society in the future. So that's all from my side. So big congratulations again to all.
I have confidence in you that this team will do much more better. Okay? You in the previous union, you know how much you have done. And this time, you should lead and guide them in a more better way. Okay? And you can contribute. And one more thing which is very important, what I think is this union, all of you are from the good academic background. Because those who have lack of papers, they are not allowed to contest competition. Okay? So I want this group or this team to break.
Evermore Rymbai, BSc 5th semester, Mathematics Department. Ini for senyau kemana betul pada AP di student yang Kiang Nangbah yang kejing kerchan, ada upoi kejing job. Saya vilek kermen skem awak, dah kejing kerchan ke yang pi, yau ye kerekam, yau ye yang ti ke college, ni bentai bahai miat yang ke college ni, yau ye pendap yang kinu jing yang kam yang ke college ni, dan doi tedon hi, nak liang yang kamu presiden wada cajiat ni ke sini, aku boleh cibol.